In this video, you'll learn how to view your trade history on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to access your trading records, filter them effectively, and export or save your trade data for future reference. First, navigate to the Binance platform and sign in to your account using either the mobile app or the website. Once you reach the homepage, look for the section labeled Wallets or Orders, depending on the interface you are using. Within this section, locate the option titled Trade History or Order History. It is essential to select the correct market type, such as spot, futures, or margin, since each market maintains its trade history separately. This step ensures that you are viewing the appropriate trading activity, helping you avoid missing any important records. Next, utilize the available filters to refine your trade history results by date range and trading pair. If you have conducted numerous trades, selecting a shorter time period can significantly enhance loading speed. Make sure to choose the correct trading pair, such as BT/USDT, to prevent mixing unrelated trades. It is important to review both buy and sell orders to gain a comprehensive understanding of your transaction flow. Pay attention to details such as execution price, quantity, and fees for each trade. Scroll through the records carefully to ensure that no entries are overlooked, as this will allow for a thorough analysis of your past trading activity. After reviewing your trade history, you may want to export or save your trade data for further use. Look for an export or download option within the interface, ensuring that you select the correct date range before proceeding with the export to avoid incomplete data. Additionally, verify the time zone displayed, as this will affect the accuracy of the trade timestamps. Once you have the exported file, take a moment to review it to confirm that the prices and fees are accurate. It is advisable to save this file in a clearly labeled folder for easy access in the future. In the event that an export option is not available, consider manually recording key details of your trades. Keeping track of this information can be beneficial for performance tracking, tax reporting, and conducting account audits. Maintaining an accurate record of trades helps you stay organized and informed about your trading activities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.